Hello friends, how are you friends? Today I want to discuss five ES key points which we mostly use to prevent an accident happening at workplace. So one by one I will discuss these five ES, the method through which we are able to control an accident happening at workplace. So the first one is education, second one is engineering, third one is uh, enforcement, fourth one is encouragement, and the last fifth one is evaluation. So one by one now I will uh, elaborate these five ES, how we can use this method to prevent an accident. So the first one is education. So this in this function we mostly conduct toolbox talks and trainings for the employees to educate them. So all the employees must be aware of that activity and a task which they will perform. They will know the hazards, the risky kind of things related to that task. When they will be aware to perform that task through the training and education program, so they safely will be able to conduct it. Second one is engineering control. This is one of the most important aspect through which we control the accidents and prevent the accidents. Suppose there is one machine at workplace being used, and machine uh, is at a particular location, and guards of machine are missing, and its safety guards and some protective gates which need to be play in place over there, that's all missing. So when any worker will be engaged with that machine to work, that might be serious there might be serious accident with that worker working with that machine. So we try to place the guards and protective devices through engineering control. We can replace anything from the machine. We can put some extra things to make the machine more safer for the workers to be worked over there. Third one is enforcement. When we provide all the PPEs to tools to workers to work, and after that we make some rules and procedures through which we try to make the activity more safer by implementing them. I mean the procedures, implementing them at workplace. So we basically try to ensure that procedures and rules have been enforced over there or not. PPs and tools which we provided to workers, we will after that will make sure that all the workers are really using the tools, wearing the PPs, or they are careless in using them. Sometimes they receive the PP, but at workplace they do not use the PP. So we basically as a responsible body, we will try to ensure that all these rules, tools, PPs being used, and we will basically practically will enforce them. Will try to we, we will make it sure that enforcement of all these things have been fully executed and ensured at workplace. So the next one is encouragement. Mostly there are many workers within industry. They work very safely. Their mentality to work is very competent, and safely we observe some workers. They work in their activities and in their tasks, whatever job background they have, but mostly we observe that they follow the rules, they follow the trainings, TBT and all the safety measures, and they work very safely. So when we see that they are working very safely, we we must encourage them. We will encourage them. Their morale will be high more. We can verbally encourage them. We can issue some awards to them, and we can promote them in their designation while working over there. So the encouragement will boost more their morale, and will brought more good environment, safe and healthy working environment, will build uh, uh, good safety and more positive safety culture in that company. So next one is which is the last one, is evaluation. We sometime need to evaluate the certain things within industry and within organization. If something is going wrong over there, and after implementing all type of things, and enforcing all kind of procedures and things to make the things more safer within industry. So despite of having all these measures, accidents repeatedly are happening, and things are going out of control. So then we can review the things, we can evaluate the things, where is the mistake. So the mistakes will be eradicated, and things will be controlled by evaluating. One practical example I will include in it, that if in a company the procedures and company manuals are outdated, and things are going out of control and accidents are happening, then procedures and manuals will be evaluated. If there is something need to add in those procedures and manuals, we definitely will add, so that our company reputation and overall the ratio of accidents could be controlled over there, and company reputation will be more enhanced by adding some more rules, by evaluating the company manuals and procedures. So these are the main things we need to really implement within our setup of a company. So these sort of things can bring up more positive changes, and we will be able to prevent some serious sort of accidents happening within a industry and within a company.